Assalamualaikum. Today I want to demonstrate to you guys how to use Mega software to do the molecular evolutionary genetic analysis for phylogenetic diagram. So first of all, we need to align the sequence first. So if you have the sequence, you download from the NCBI, and then you need to align the sequence, which is the FASTA format. So if you still not done yet, you need to search first, and you need to copy all the FASTA of nucleotide and merge in a text file. So after you merge in a text file, you need to save it. You need to convert the txt file into a FASTA file. After you convert into a FASTA file, then you can use it to align. You can use it to align in the Mega software, because if you use txt, the alignment process will hanging. It means that the alignment cannot be done because the software maybe cannot undergo the process. So if you want to open a file of session, you need to open the FASTA file. You cannot open other than FASTA, for example txt omega. Okay, this output after you open the FASTA file. So you can see there are 5 organisms that I copy the FASTA, and then after I need to export the alignment into a Mega format. So that means that I convert the FASTA before into a MEG format. So I put the input as a mitochondrion. So as you can see that we have a many type of phylogeny method, which is such as UPGMA, and maximum likelihood, and the others. So after I put the input of mitochondrion, now I minimize this and I go to phylogeny. So I can construct which method that I want. For example, I construct the MEG file to the neighbor joining method. Put from the software based on the FASTA format, based on the similarity, but we can see the numbering. I'm not sure why we can see the numbering. So we test the minimum evolution tree. Oh no, UPGMA. I try this first. Okay, so here maybe the software just comparing based on the input on BLAST, so it no need to show. Okay, in this document PDF also it not show the numbering of the similarity, the distance. I'm sorry, the distance. So the diagram not showing the distance at all for the Mega. So we test another one, which is a maximum likelihood. So for maximum likelihood, okay, we waiting. It take a long of time. Okay, so done. This is the maximum likelihood output. So as we can see, there's not so much different of the diagram for each diagram, because the phylogeny is the method that we use to construct a table. So there are not so much different for each diagram, because it still use same concept. So thank you. If you think that this video helped very much when you do your assignment, please give like, share and subscribe. Thank you.